The lagoons will always concentrate diverse species of birds. And here, at just 30 kilometers from Cusco City, we have a set of lagoons and wetlands known as Huacarpay.
This is the resident point for different migratory birds that flies above the Peruvian Andes. It's also a refuge for many resident birds, as well as for two endemic birds such as the rusty-fronted Canastero and the bearded Mountaineer.
The trails and the paths here are very comfortable and doesn't require too much physical effort.
In this wonderful set of lagoons, we can visit its rich area and spot the many-colored rush tyrant, the yellow-winged blackbird, and the grain-like rushbird. We can also walk among its bushes, or appreciate the different hummingbirds and flower piercers in the tobacco plants. Finally, we can enjoy the peacefulness of the place contemplating the different species of birds in its water bodies.
In itself, is a good place to spend the whole morning disconnected from the rest of the world, and the best of all, at just 30 minutes from Cusco City.
History, culture, gastronomy, and hundreds of birds to enjoy. Machu Picchu and Cusco birding.